7:20 and super, super freezing. My tent was like encased in a tomb of ice this morning. It was very, 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 very cold last night. This is the middle of July. It's not even that high elevation. What's going on, Montana? No, I found many animals. Well, they're mules and horses. Nobody wants wet feet. So, attempting to build the bridge over the Dearborn River. Oh, well, see if it stays dry. Don't think that worked. Ah. No. You got the wet feet? Not too bad. I even added another log, and I still got the wet foot. Yuck. Ugh, it's too cold for wet feet. It's been fairly flat and easy this morning, and difficult this afternoon. Well, there are no logs here. The wet feet. Cozy threw me his Crocs across the river. One almost floated away, but I snagged it with my pole.
It's gonna happen.
One day it's gonna happen, yeah. So my shoes are still dry. Well, they got wet earlier, so they're still damp, but not as soaking wet as they could have been. It's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna be hitting the climbs now. It's tall. This was the weirdest turn. Come all the way down there, turn at the trees, and then, like, why not just cut the trail, like, right there across? I don't know. First climb. It's already hard. I need a break. At least it's a gradual switchback, so you can see the trail. You know, like, we'll switch back around and then continue up. And then switch back, and then up, and then switch back, then up. I'm only 2/3 of the way up this climb.
I figured since you had cell service back there would be cell service here.
Yeah.
Nothing.
No cell service. Had a very long break, drink a lot of water. Now, continuing on. And climb up. It's pretty windy. Here comes T-Cozy. We came across there. Now up here. The views. I'm gonna head down and then up. Alright, now I think one of these mountains will be next. Fortunately, it's one big dead zone up here. Going down, 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 and then up, 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 up. The next uphill is starting very soon. This climb is steep today. Oh boy. T-Cozy down there. Coming up behind me. We are so tired. Windy. 1 mile to the top. There's T-Cozy. Oh! And I'm gonna go down. Back up over there. Look at this man. This trail is jacked up. And this wasn't even as steep as some of the other parts that I just did. I have to take another break. This climb is kicking my butt. Oh, it's a tough one. Ay, caramba. Hear voices. I've only seen Tikuzi today. There's another hiker up here. So glad to be at the top of this thing. Walking along, I'm like, oh, a lake down there. It is really pretty, despite all the half dead or dead trees. Burn areas, what can you do? Ooh, it's shiny. It's a pretty downhill walk. Looking at a green mountain ahead, healthy trees. I'm at this little lake, and this is where I'm gonna camp tonight. I am exhausted. This spot looks alright for camping. There's no other camping listed for the next 10 miles, so another shorter day, but I'm tired, so I'm glad it's a shorter. Got the bear hang on the go in the tree. No bear can get my Snickers bars.